Hey Carmela, what are the COVID protests happening in China? It's Chinese citizens protesting against the country's strict zero COVID rules. Why are they protesting? China has had almost 3 years of strict pandemic rules. Last week, 10 people died in an apartment fire in northwest China. Firefighters couldn't get close to the building, and residents blamed pandemic rules for slowing the firefighters' response. Officials denied this and said some residents' abilities to rescue themselves was too weak. This sparked outrage on Chinese social media. On Friday, protests began calling for lockdown rules to be fully lifted. Why won't China reopen? The country's seeing a spike in COVID cases. China's population has low natural immunity because so few residents have been exposed to COVID. Also, vaccine rates in the elderly population are low compared to other developed nations. Chinese officials said opening the country could cause a wave of deaths and overwhelm the healthcare system. And why are the protests significant? Because mass protests are really rare in China. These demonstrations are some of the largest since Tiananmen Square in 1989. How has the government responded? Chinese officials have yet to comment or acknowledge that demonstrations are happening, and censors have cleared Chinese social media of articles about the protests.